Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's part 2 of this journal that I made, this junk journal, and I'm going to decorate it, give it some pockets and some bits and pieces in it, because it's empty, of course, so it just needs a bit of decorating. So that's what I'm going to do today. I've put this here just to remind me that I wanted it here, but I'm not quite sure if I want it there anymore. I have got a cold. I did use one of my hair bands, a new one, and sewed a button onto it, but I don't think that I'm not really feeling this way, because once it starts getting full I don't think it's gonna really hold. So I decided to put an eyelet in, so then we could just tie it, and it'll definitely be much better to manage once it starts getting filled up. Just use, okay, I think I'll just use these. I just hope these work, because I'm not in the mood, because sometimes they act up. Alright, I will pierce this. This is the big one. Alright, oops. Put that in there. I think lovely. So that's one done. And we'll put this one in as well. But where? Up here. And I'll put that on the top and give that a good squeeze. Yep, lovely. It'll be much better when it to close. I'm glad that went okay with the eyelets, because I need to start using eyelets more often. So I just got out some papers out of my scrap stash that I was going to use to put some belly bands and pockets. Alright, so these, I had cut these into shape, so some could go here, but I don't think it was here that I wanted it anyway. I think it was on one of the smaller pages, like maybe here. I think, I'm not sure, but we'll see. This will look nice here, but I think it would look nice with a little backing of some sort, because this is just wrapping paper that I've had for so long, and I just think, I mean, a piece here with a piece of this would look quite nice. Yeah, so you see, this is just paper, but it looked nice with a little pocket there, and I do like that. This one that kind of looked like vellum. I think this would look nice there, but if I cut that down, That is lovely. I like that. You've got space to journal there. I want to put you know what? Let's put it like that. Yeah, and I think I'm going to get some washi tape to go with that. See, I need to do this because it's so therapeutic for me. I just really need to do this, even though I've got this cold and spend too much time in bed. Don't need to spend any more time in bed. I really don't. Just gets a bit too much. And I know you do need to rest, but I just thought I'd come out and come into my craft room and just do some of this, keep me occupied. I really like when my craft room gets messy. I do. It tells me, by it getting messy, it tells me that, you know, I've been having fun. And then you've got somewhere to put stuff in. That could be decorated as well. What else did I have to put here? I think I wanted one of these. My memory served me right. I think I wanted one here. I did leave this here. We could put, I think I want to flip that. Do it halfway. I think we can do that halfway, can't we? Flip it. That's nice. Just flip that and maybe put some photos on it or something. This would be nice to just colour, sit and colour. And this is lovely. Love that. Wouldn't know what to put on that. What else did I say I wanted? Put here. Okay, so what have we done so far? I think I'm gonna give this one a big pocket. That's nice. Look, that can go in there, and then that can go in there. That's nice. I haven't got anything in here as yet. This is nice. I'm just using up some embellishments that I was gifted, and also some that I've made and just had in my boxes. That there. This is just a few ideas as to how you can decorate your junk journal, and whether it's for yourself or a gift to someone, or you're selling it, it's always nice to decorate it and make it look fancy. These are lovely to colour in. And that there. Let's see what else have I done. And the belly band. That's just one belly band. So I think we'll leave it for now. And when I come back, I'll choose the lace, which lace I'm going to use for the closure, and do some more decorating. But I didn't want this video to drag out, and it's better for me to do things in stages than try and do everything all at once, then I'll never get a video out, and that is why I'm always late with my videos, because I think that I have to do everything all at once, whereas I don't. I need to just go in my own pace, and you know, whatever subscribers are for me and supports me, they will understand. So if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Don't forget now, this channel consists of hauls, DIYs, home improvements, paper crafting, and sometimes lifestyle videos. If you think this channel might interest you, don't hesitate to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload new videos.